is Irene Elsa Belfania. You can call me Fanny. I am from class 6D. Today, I will tell you about something that I will never forget. One day, go go to Beach Lampung, and I went with my friends and my teacher. I saw the sunset and the wave. I took photos of the scenery with my friends, myself with my friends, and I walked around in the beach. Walked around in the beach. And I think my story is very exciting with my friends. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.